Hi, welcome to another weekly video. This week we're going to be showing you how to generate invoices on your CareForIT system. Keep watching for a video tutorial. The account report is located under the reports menu on your CareForIT system. Go to accounts, then view accounts, and you'll be prompted to enter the dates you wish to run the accounts report for. If you click advanced settings, you can select to charge clients on actual or scheduled times. Click Generate Report to view your account report. The account report is listed alphabetically with clients first. To view a breakdown of the charges, click the plus symbol. If you are happy with the charges, select the client and select Create Invoices from the bulk action list. Once you have clicked Go, you'll be presented with different invoice options to select. Click Generate Invoice and the invoice will begin to generate. When generated, you will see an invoice number next to the client's name, which you can click to open a PDF version of the invoice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow all our social media platforms.